What if I told you that financial freedom isn't just a dream? It's a skill you can master. Imagine waking up every day knowing your money is working for you, not the other way around. Whether you're drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or just starting your wealth-building journey, this video is your roadmap to Wealth Unleashed. I'll walk you through 10 powerful strategies to take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and create a life of abundance. Stick around because I'll share a little-known secret that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Let's get started. Meet Lisa and John. Both started with similar incomes, but while Lisa constantly worried about money, John focused on opportunities. 5 years later, Lisa was still stuck in the same job, while John had built multiple income streams and was traveling the world. The difference? Mindset. To develop a wealth mindset, believe in abundance, focus on growth, and visualize success. Write down 3 limiting beliefs about money and reframe them into empowering statements. For example, "I'll never be good with money" becomes, "I am learning to master my finances every day." Did you know that 78% of people who budget feel more in control of their finances? A budget isn't a restriction, it's a tool for freedom. To create a budget that works, track your spending using apps like Mint or YNAB, set clear goals, and review your spending weekly. Download a budgeting app today and track your spending for the next 7 days. Jake had $25,000 in student loans and credit card debt. He used the debt snowball method to pay off his smallest debt first, gaining momentum and confidence. Within 18 months, he was debt-free and saving for his dream home. To crush your debt, list all your debts, choose a strategy like the snowball or avalanche method, and increase your payments using extra income from side hustles or savings. Pick one debt to focus on this month and commit to paying it off. Did you know that 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency? Don't let that be you. To build your emergency fund, start small by saving $20 a week. Automate your savings and cut unnecessary expenses. Open a separate savings account and automate your first deposit today. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. If you're relying on one paycheck, you're leaving money on the table. To increase your income, start a side hustle, monetize your skills, and leverage technology. Brainstorm 3 ways you could earn extra income and take the first step this week. Emily started investing $100 a month at age 25. By 35, her portfolio was worth over $20,000, thanks to compound interest. To start investing, begin small with apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Diversify your investments and stay consistent. Open an investment account and make your first deposit this week. The average person loses 30% of their income to taxes, but smart strategies can save you thousands. To optimize your taxes, maximize retirement contributions, claim deductions, and invest in tax-advantaged accounts. Schedule a meeting with a tax professional to review your deductions. Mark automated his savings and investments. Within 5 years, he had a $50,000 portfolio without lifting a finger. To automate your finances, use robo-advisors for investing, set up automatic transfers to your savings account, and automate bill payments. Automate one financial process this week, like setting up a recurring investment. True wealth isn't just about you. It's about creating a lasting impact for future generations. To build generational wealth, invest in appreciating assets, protect your wealth with wills and trusts, and teach financial literacy to your kids. Start one long-term investment, like a college fund or real estate property, ready to take control of your money and build real wealth. This video reveals Wealth Unleashed, 10 proven steps to grow your income, crush debt, and create lasting wealth. Your financial future starts today. Drop your #1 money goal in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more wealth building tips.